All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 125. The first one, you're missing a number in the sequence, so you just have to figure out, skip counting wise, what are you doing here, okay? So to get from 1 to 3, you could say 1 times 3. To get from 3 to 9, you could say 3 times 3. So then you're going to take 9. So then you would say, okay, 9 times 3 is 27. And then you would say, okay, 27 times 3 is 81. So you are multiplying by 3. So you multiply by 3 to get that next number. For number 2, complete the pattern for the missing number here. So if you know your multiplication tables, that's going to help you with this. So we know 7 times 4 is 28. All they're doing is adding a 0. So 7 times 40, add the 0, 280. 7 times 400, 28, add the 2 zeros, 2,800. 7 times 4,000, 28, add the 3 zeros, 28,000. So you're just multiplying each of those by 7 with the larger place value because you add that 0. For 3, we have a decimal. It says 75 hundredths. Where would 75 hundredths be located on the number line? So here we have 7 tenths. Here we have 8 tenths. Okay? So 75 hundredths is going to have to be, if you think about it, 5 is halfway between 10, right? So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is your new number. So this would be 71 hundredths, 72, 73 hundredths, 74, and then this would be 75 hundredths, right? Because you add that 1 just like, because this is 10 little spots between that. So the correct answer would be C. For the next one, sketch an angle measuring 180 degrees. So if you have a ruler, great. If you don't, it's okay. But I happen to have one. So I'm just going to draw me a line. I'm going to put my point in the middle because that's where they meet. If it's an angle, because that's what we're doing an angle. So I have going forever and ever as a line. And then 180 degrees means that you would go, you would turn all the way around. So that angle measures 180 degrees. Okay? And then your last one, which has more sides, a parallelogram or a pentagon? Now, if you know the Pentagon building in Washington, D.C., it has 5 sides. A parallelogram has 2 sets of parallel sides. 2 sets would give you 4 sides. So the one that has more sides would be the pentagon. Right? Check yours.